So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see a city's public transport moving in real time. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for tracker.gops.ch. Just simply go to this website and be very careful with the URL. If you mistype it, you won't be able to reach this site, and you can reach the site from your smartphones as well. Now let's just wait for this to respond, and it's taking some time depending upon your internet speed. And here you can see once it gets open, you will find each and every public transportation live map uh, all over the world, not just in your city. You can change the base layer as well from this left bottom corner. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.